Live at Grove High School with these our so-called teachers, who most of them do not teach us anything out there wanting more pay for what. Going to parties and put it on weave.
Viewers and subscribers, you saw them student here bright and facing. You know what I say? Teacher not teach them nothing. Them not learn nothing at school. You must put the blame on teacher. They must have teacher not deserve to get raise up pay. Teacher don't deserve to get raise up pay. Teacher no star. People all know say how them kids nowadays go to school, big woman and big man them. Teacher then can't talk to them and they not talk one teacher. You understand what I say? Right? People just take a listen to the rest of the clippings.
Live at Grove High School with these our so-called teachers, who most of them do not teach us anything out there wanting more pay for what. Going to parties and put it on weave. I have a French teacher that I'm going to learn nothing for your class. I don't learn nothing in there. And then this big P out there with our with the
So many people check out a father and counsel him son. I mean counsel him son people. Positive counseling. Yeah man. I take out my heart to the father. Yeah man, real father.
Where you come from? Come here man. You may know me in a yard. Where you come from? Me ask you a question. I just call me senior. You said that you come go to school. You come from school. This hours what you doing here? What happened? School not keeping?
No, that the teacher even talk about them not keeping school because the government not pay them.
You go to each of them. They know your son so. Oh, your son so. The teacher them talk about they not keep no school because the government not pay them. So your son so. Me ask you a question. So whose side you that man?
The government.
The government. Me ask you a question. Without the teacher, how do you have a government? Without the teacher to teach, would you have a government? No, daddy. Would you have police officers? Would you have the army man? Eh? Would you have the lawyer? What about the judge? What about the doctor? Show teacher respect. Me know why you come talk about they not get no school because they not talk about they not get no pay. You defend ranks over teacher. Teacher is the first and teacher going to be the last. And you always say you want to be the government, right? And the leader of the country, right? Well, listen to me and don't forget. You see, when you become the leaders, don't forget say your father, I tell you this morning. Make sure say every teacher live the best life ever. And then you can think about the police officer and the soldier. Every teacher must live the best life ever. You know what best life means? Make sure say every month the teacher account loan. And make sure them have food, make sure them have good shelter, and make sure them have good motor vehicle. Because if it's not for teacher, there is no one else. Don't make me tell you again. Go and get your clothes off. Good.
Some of you and subscribers want to check out a teacher here. It's say a teacher attacks on positive thing. It's say, right? Teachers are hero. The teachers them deserve to get them razor pay. The stress these teachers who go through with these student people, them deserve razor pay. Check out this teacher people. Yeah man, check her out man.
We have persons who have seniority, who have been working from about 15, over 25 years. We have persons with master's degrees. We have persons who have posts of special responsibilities, and we are all lumped on the same scale. Now, what we want to express to the government is that this is unacceptable. We are being treated as second-class citizens because when we compare to the offers to the other sectors, we realize that we are at the bottom. This has to be reviewed. We do not want a lateral movement on the band. We want a vertical movement on the scale. And as it relates to the JTA, we feel abandoned. We feel neglected because the JTA, every time the JTA goes into a negotiation with the government, the principals come away better off. Now the classroom teachers are the biggest group. And we are the ones who do the work. We are the backbone of the nation, society. Right? But every time we are called to the table, the principals come back with a better offer. The principals actually have been moving vertically on the scale. To date, we have not moved. To date, we have not moved vertically on the scale. So we are rejecting a lateral movement because we want a vertical push. Okay, so right? A vertical push on the scale.
Would you have the lawyer? What about the judge? What about the doctor? Show teacher respect. Me know why you come talk about they not get no school because they not talk about they not get no pay. You defend ranks over teacher. Teacher is the first and teacher going to be the last. And you always say you want to be the government, right? And the leader of the country, right? Well, listen to me and don't forget. You see, when you become the leaders, don't forget, say your father, I tell you this morning. Make sure, say, every teacher live the best life ever. And then you can think about the police officer and the soldier. Every teacher must live the best life ever. You know what best life means? Make sure, say, every month, the teacher account loan. And make sure them have food, make sure them have good shelter, and make sure them have good motor vehicle. Because if it's not for teacher, there is no one else. Don't make me tell you again. Go and get your clothes off. Good.